Good day everyone, my name is Maria Andrea Pintor from 11 Agoho, and today I'm with my aunt. I'm gonna ask her about this following question on oral communication. Using the following questions, what are the common problems that you encounter when having a conversation through the phone? Let's start first with video call.
Through video call, syempre loss of internet. Kasi hindi naman lahat tayo is merong good internet connection.
Okay, the second one was people with different religion.
Na wala akong freedom of speech, which is natatakot kasi ako na baka kapag meron akong beliefs na nasabi, tapos hindi naman pala nila yung beliefs, is baka ma-offend sila. So, hindi ako masyadong nakikipag-interact sa kanila.
Okay, last but not the least, people with other dialect or language.
Mahirap siya kasi, hindi kami same ng language. Tapos, kailangan mo pang intindihan or minsan, syempre, hindi natin maiwasan mag-google tayo para lang maintindihan sila, which is magpapatagal sa conversation ng dalawa.
Okay. The next question was, how did you manage to continue the conversation with those existing problems?
First is, sa video call, syempre maghahanap ka talaga ng good internet connection para makapag-interact ka sa kanila ng maayos. Tapos, sa religion naman, kailangan mong matutunan yung mga beliefs nila. At, syempre, dapat din nila matutunan yung beliefs mo para magkaunawaan yung dalawa. And, pangatlo, yung sa language naman, ganun din. Kailangan mo din talaga matutunan yung language nila. At, kung pwede, kailangan yung mag-speak ng English para naintindihan yung
And last, I'm gonna ask her about the following tips on how people can avoid communication breakdown. So, magbibigay siya ng mga tips paano natin maiiwasan yung mga breakdown na usually na-encounter natin.
First is listen. And syempre, hindi naman tayo magkakaroon ng interaction kung walang feedback. Kaya dapat magbigay ka rin ng opinion mo kapag katapos niya magsalita. Tapos, syempre, bago ka magbigay ng feedback, dapat tatanungin mo muna siya kung kailangan niya ba talaga ng feedback or kailangan niya lang talaga ng listener. And not but not the least is kailangan both kayo nag-give and take. Kunyari, tapos na siya magsalita ng parang kanya problem niya, ikaw naman, para both kayo nagkakakuan.
Okay guys, I hope you learned something about this